guys, it's your girl Sweetie D. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey, today I got a seafood mukbang because I got my new mild Bloves sauce. So we trying that out for the first time. And I got some king crab legs. Okay, so first I want to say hey y'all to all my new subscribers. What's up? And hey to all my old subscribers. We're gonna say grace and we're gonna eat. I got this food in Jesus' name and pray, amen. Alright y'all, I ain't did no seafood mukbang in a long time, and y'all know what? I used this new sauce on this today. Alright. Okay y'all, I don't know why my thing keep shutting up, but I want to how to start this. Y'all know what? I had put some that Zatarain seafood boil stuff in there. And turn that TV down, y'all. I had put some of that Zatarain seafood boil stuff in there. That stuff is spicy. He had the whole house coughing. He was coughing. We didn't know what was going on. Let's see what this sauce tastes like. I'm gonna do the no wipe your mouth challenge too. I ain't gonna wipe my mouth. It was gonna be good. Good. Uh-oh, it's looking down my mouth. Looking down my mouth. I see that. I ain't gonna wipe my mouth. I got some little shrimp. I got some little bitty potatoes, because y'all know what? I've been meal prepping. I think I started like 3 weeks ago. And ever since I've been meal prepping, I've been losing. I ain't gonna eat too many of these potatoes. I lost 10 pounds. That's so good. I have me some green beans too. I'm still trying to be healthy. They're good too. Mama, come here. Can y'all see my food? Y'all can't see my food. Push this back a little bit so they can see my food. Y'all, I'm gonna have her warm these up because they not hot enough. Sorry, y'all. We had some technical difficulties. The thing fell down. Can I get my potatoes? Because I had her warm up my potatoes. She came over here knocking stuff down. Let me eat this knuckle. Because she asking for this knuckle. And I'm about to eat it. You want to stand here and watch me eat it?
Yeah, don't
Get out of here. What?
Please.
No.
It's unfair.
No. Get out my video. Yeah. So this sauce is delicious. I like the spicy because it ain't too spicy because I don't like spicy stuff. I gotta hold that on my face. Okay. I'm trying to get it without. I like both of them. I don't know which one I like the best. They both good. My mom's still dripping. I ain't wipe my mouth when the camera went on. I'm gonna tell you, it's kind of cold. Y'all, y'all ain't tried Miss Bloves, so y'all need to go to Amazon. So a couple packs like me. I only make a little bit at a time because they're gonna last. That was hot. You don't have to use the whole pack. Measure some out and use a little bit at a time. Everybody talking about how much they cost. This girl, you can use about 4 or 5 times. So that's about $5. For real. So if you go by serving, you can use it 5 times. That's like $5. Y'all know y'all spend $5 on seasonings, especially that complete seasoning. I wipe up my mouth. And that complete seasoning cost $7 at the Giant Eagle over here. For days or something. I got green beans, I got cucumbers, I got potatoes, I got a little shrimp. And some corn. Yo, this sauce so good. I ain't ate no seafood in a while because it got a lot of sodium. And I ain't trying to mess up my weight loss. What's meat in there? Ooh. I was not finna throw that big piece of meat away. When I'm done, my mom gonna come and check all these shells to make sure I ain't leave no meat in them.
You done?
No, I'm not done.
I heard you say you were done.
I said when I'm done, you gonna come and check the shells like you checking that one. Yeah. She ain't in the video today. But she braiding her hair and it's looking cray cray. Stick your head in there. See her head on top, she braiding her hair. So she don't want to be in the video.
I still want to use that shit.
You're not finna be in my video with that thing going on top of your head. No.
It's cute. Where is
These some big cucumbers.
I'm wearing like this squeeze. That big old thing on top of my head. This is hot.
You can clean that a little bit.
You cut me half of that right here.
Couldn't I what?
Cut me half of that.
No.
Come on.
Why she trying to eat my food, y'all?
You're on a diet.
I know I'm on a diet. I'm not gonna eat too much.
Just say on a diet too.
There was some right there. That came out the little. She ate it, y'all.
Can I have shrimp?
What shrimp? Go ahead. It's spicy.
Did you eat this shrimp right here?
Mm-mm. I didn't even know there was no more shrimp over there. Girl, go sit down.
No, this is in there.
Look at my video.
You can sit there.
Y'all see what I had to go through to make a video? Explain what I done. And it's spicy. That's that stuff that we just smelling. Everybody knows we just sneezing.
Put that in there.
I'm doing no wipe your mouth channel.
Put this in there.
Go ahead.
I absolutely do. Because I had brain pain.
Y'all, come get him. Come get him. I got the paper towel right here. I can't wipe my mouth.
It's hurt. That's too hot.
Look at my mouth.
It's too hot.
I ain't got no more lipstick. Oh, I got this. I got another piece with another knuckle.
That was actually the cut.
This is what you was asking me to cut.
Could have had some kind of piece.
Cut it for what?
So you get the right there. That piece.
This piece?
No.
No, I'm about to eat
This
that.
bottom piece.
Mama, get out my video.
Come on, be this one or that one.
None.
Leave alone.
You gonna leave me alone anyway?
Come on.
Y'all, she just messing with me.
It's torture. Can't open it.
That's why you ain't getting none, because you laughing because I can't
I'm
open it.
not laughing here.
I can open it. I don't need to. Excuse me, y'all. I got interference in my video.
No, you don't.
Get away!
What's your interference?
You!
Get that right there.
Ooh, look at that.
Look
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Y'all want some?
Yeah. Put it over here by me.
Mmm.
Put it over here.
No, I'm not gonna put it over here by you because you'll eat it. They can't eat it. Here, Mama. Want some of this nasty stuff? Y'all be on the outside?
What nasty stuff?
What? Why is she doing that? You know I'm making a video. Oh, look at me, look at me. That's why, right? She just gotta be seen and heard.
Look at me. Look at me. What nasty stuff? What nasty stuff?
Get away.
You just told me to come eat these nasty stuff.
Get away.
Why did I come back?
Mmm. Mmm. I'm gonna let her have that.
Huh?
She hear me from all the way in there.
What you gonna let me have?
That is a shame. Ooh, I'm getting full. I always get full. I see all that goodness.
Where did I go?
I told you I can't be eating this stuff too often. Cause this stuff makes you smell like crab eggs. You do. I don't know about y'all, but I be smelling like somebody's king crab. And I don't want to smell like that. Ooh. Ooh, see? I ain't wipe my mouth the whole time. But I'm about to wipe my mouth now because I'm finished. Woo! So yeah, y'all, I ain't been doing a lot of food videos because I'm trying to lose just last little 50 pounds I gotta lose. And I lost 10, so now I gotta lose 40. So, yeah. I'm gonna be, excuse me, oh, except for my brother. He challenged me to the hot noodle challenge because I did his son. He gonna say, his son won the challenge, but I won the, no. His son won the don't wipe your mouth challenge because I wiped my mouth first. And I won the hot noodle challenge because I ain't drink no water and his son drank some water. So me and him got a challenge coming. Excuse me, y'all. We're going to do the hot noodles challenge. So, let's whoever drink water first. And I'm going to put some extra hot stuff in his noodles too. Talking about some, I can eat hot stuff. Girl, you don't know. I was like, okay. We gonna see. So y'all gonna meet my brother. Because we gonna do a hot noodles challenge. And for y'all that know me, y'all know Triple OG coming on my channel to do a hot noodles challenge with me. We supposed to do it next week, I think. So yeah. I got that coming up. I did my 6-month breast reduction update video. I uploaded that one before this. And got some clothes hauls coming up. Some winter fashion. I'm gonna do winter fashion and winter boots. So I got that coming up. So yeah, y'all be looking out for my new stuff. I want to do some other stuff than eating right now. I go back to, I'm going to go back to doing mukbangs when I get to my desired weight. But unless V-Love come out with another sauce, then I'm going to do another one. But yeah, I guess that's about it. I'm about to let Mama eat this little knuckle left. You gonna eat this knuckle, Mama? My video keeps stopping. I said you gonna eat this knuckle, Mama. I see she reaching all in my face eating stuff. I'm gonna try to get stuff to eat. You want this corn? You wanna sit right here and just take over the video and just eat the rest of the stuff? She want to sit right here. Come and sit right here. You're not finna get it in this video with that thing sticking on the top of your head.
I got you. Hold on. I gotta put some on there.
I'm gonna move over and let her do the video. Cause she about to eat the rest of this. You gonna eat these green beans?
I ain't eating.
Girl, these green beans good.
I know those are good.
I don't know what's wrong with you, honey girl. I know how to cook.
You want to move over?
You want me to move over? Why you don't get right here?
I'll get right there.
I'll move over.
No. Yeah, that way.
Yeah, that way.
over there.
I'm full. Ooh. Higher. She better come get this plate and put this plate off this table. Y'all still have to tell these kids and they teenagers to get their plates off the table.
Hi.
Don't put that jacket on top of your head.
It's good because I'm warm.
Get a scarf or something.
I don't have.
Tell them bring you a scarf on my bonnet.
It's a jacket.
Y'all. She can't even leave and tell nobody nothing without grabbing some food.
Jasmine.
And you know what else?
Bring down Mommy's black bonnet.
That play coming here, Hamilton. I'm going to see that.
We're going to see that.
Here, I'm taking this down, Mama, so I can see.
And we're going to see Frozen.
I'm taking y'all to see Frozen. Frozen 2. I'm gonna take them to see Frozen. But I'm going to see that play Hamilton. I want to see that. She braiding her hair with these gray braids. Gray. Who want their hair to be gray? Hell, man, gray, and I don't want it to be gray.
It's gray and white.
I don't want it to be gray.
Let it go. Oh. I'll put it on her shirt.
Just put it on the top. Y'all, she braiding her hair. She ain't finished braiding her hair yet. Dump this for me. She'll hire. She gonna get it for not dumping, for her leaving her plate on the table. Get that too. That.
Hi.
That your green bean. Who's supposed to wipe the table off? Devon. You ain't wiped the table off. You want some corn, Jasmine? Here.
It's more food.
Not you.
A cucumber. You want a cucumber?
You can get the big one.
No, the big one.
The big one. You can get that one. Okay, you can have the unfull one.
You don't want that. That's making a lot of noise in my video. So yeah, y'all. I'm gonna let her eat this little stuff. Then I'm about to sign off. Listen, wait. Shh. Turn the TV down. Y'all hear my wind chimes outside? Listen. Shh.
Turn it off.
Listen. Them my wind chimes on my porch. I got 2 different wind chimes on there. What, you want to dip it? You want the corn? Mm-hmm, you'll get it.
No.
You what?
Potato.
Ain't no more potato.
No, that's mine. Excuse me.
No. She didn't ask.
You ate my corn.
Go sit down somewhere, Jasmine, with that corn. Look at the paper towels over here. Y'all, they just come and invade my video. It's taking over. Why you leave that? Why you still got your jacket on like you going somewhere?
It's cold.
Oh hell! I shouldn't give her that phone back.
Cold. How? I can't taste nobody, Mom.
She like, where the food at? She like, where mine? Everybody eat with me. She ain't even eat her dinner. She just left the whole plate right here. I just made.
I can't eat salad.
I just made somebody else take her plate and put it in the garbage. Look at
I
Jasmine.
can't eat salad.
Jasmine, get.
Move. Get the boot.
Why is you behind me?
Give her the boot already.
We don't want to watch you eat. We was watching us eat.
Your hair hurts, Zakaya? If I put it up, it will. That's why I'm leaving it down for 2 weeks.
Y'all got stuff all over me. Take this. Y'all, we breaking down the set. Look at him.
What's this? Is this
What
a
you
pickle?
want?
Lemon.
That's a cucumber.
She said it's a pickle.
Oh, it's a pickle.
Here we go, some green beans. Nah, put that over there. Green beans make your tongue itch.
I said salad.
Everything make your tongue itch. Take this, though, Mom.
Yeah.
Ain't nothing else on there. Sakaya looking. All right, y'all. So we oh, my mouth. I still have. I did wipe my mouth a little bit. I just ain't get it off.
He said peace to the Indians.
I wasn't doing the. Yeah, I'm done with that. I'm done with that.
Oh, let me see
You
that
can wash
sauce.
that out. Here,
Let me see that sauce, though.
Wait.
take this upstairs. Wipe them off and take them upstairs. Okay, so yeah, y'all, we just going through. We ending the video. With all the stuff going on, it's almost time to go to bed. I gotta go to work in the morning,
I'm not going to bed.
and they gotta go to school in the morning.
I'm not going to bed.
It's 9:03.
I'm doing my hair.
I usually be in the bed by this time.
I'm in bed by 5 o'clock.
Y'all hear her?
Oh, look at my neck. No, they can't
You
hear
go
her.
with that neck.
It's so black. Look.
I don't be in no bed at no 5 o'clock.
No,
Maybe
you
about
think they can
6.
hear her? 7. She said, she was like,
Give me the sauce.
let me be in the bed at 5 o'clock.
Oh, she doing that talk. You know how she do when she get on here.
Look at him. Tell him to give me the sauce. She be
Mama, I mean,
He's sitting there eating out of it. Delvon, stop. William.
Try this on a piece of toast.
Man, give me this, dog. He irritated.
so y'all, we about to end this video. And I'm about to go get in bed. I gotta sit up for about 2 hours since I done ate that now.
Want Roku?
I'm about to put the camera on her.
Mommy, no, the camera gonna break.
Y'all, she always take over the video. It is nasty. He gonna put the sauce on some bread. He got his corn. He got a corn sandwich. He got a corn sandwich. Hey, here, Dylan. Y'all hear them big feet? Sasquatch feet. Put them up. Put that up. Okay, I need this. I'm trying to clean up while we going. While we just throwing stuff on the table.
Keep cleaning it.
Oh, you gotta clean this table on the floor.
Yeah. Can she do the table or do the floor?
No, I gotta do my hair.
The table. What they mean?
She about to clean that off. You gonna wipe the table. All right, y'all. We about to end this video because it's over. And all she doing is eat.
It's good for you.
It's good for you. It is. It's good in that sauce too, ain't it?
Don't change the channel.
All right, y'all. So hit like and subscribe. Comment and share what you want to see me do until I get off my food
Say me too.
stop journey. You said what?
When you can do another hot noodle challenge.
Oh, I'm doing the hot noodle challenge with Butch.
I want to be in it.
So y'all stay tuned for my hot noodle challenge with my brother Triple OG. And he older than me. He gonna get on here trying to act like he younger than me, but he older than me. 3 years older than me. And what else? So
I'm
I
4
can.
years older than both of y'all.
So what?
I'm 4 years older than you and him.
So yes. Look out for those videos and hit like and subscribe to my channel if you hadn't already. And I'll be back. Y'all know I'm coming back with some more food. I think I'm going to do a taco challenge. I'm going to do a mountain taco challenge.
A mountain.
Or I'm going to do
Get 3 of them nacho
a whole bunch
boxes.
of lobster tails like
Get
everybody
3
else
of
be
them nacho
doing.
boxes.
I'm not buying that big crab.
You heard me? Get 3 of them
I will
nacho
not.
boxes.
What nacho boxes?
From Taco Bell.
No.
You put all in one bowl and just eat it.
I'm going to make my own.
I wouldn't do that.
All right, I'll let you do it. I'm going to make my own.
Ooh.
All right,
You
y'all.
can do the cupcake one.
So, my granddaughter was over here today showing me these YouTube videos, and they were showing how you cut cakes and make different kind of animals and stuff with them. I'm going to watch and do one of them. I'm going to do it. I'm going to put it on here.
Make me a panda.
I might do it for Christmas. Make a Christmas tree.
Make me a panda.
All right, y'all. So, this is it for real. Hit like and subscribe. And until next time, we gonna see y'all later. That go Del Ron in the back. Peace out. Peace.